Did you know a soldier fought World War II for 29 years after it ended? In August 1945, Japan surrendered and the war was over. For everyone except Lieutenant Hiroo Onoda, he was hiding deep in the Philippine jungle, following orders to never surrender. His mission was simple: conduct guerrilla warfare until Japanese forces returned. So he waited and waited for nearly 3 decades. During those years, he killed over 30 local farmers, believing they were enemy soldiers. When surrender leaflets were dropped, he dismissed them as Allied propaganda. His family sent search parties. Former officers tried to reach him. Nothing worked. He remained convinced the war was still raging. Finally, in 1974, his original commanding officer tracked him down. The moment he was formally relieved of duty, Onoda's world shattered. The war had ended before he even knew it. 29 years of isolation, 30 innocent lives lost, all for a mission that ended decades ago. Sometimes the most terrifying prison is your own mind.